Hey everyone, welcome back to EduStory, where we talk about things that actually matter in real life. Knowledge, growth, and everything in between. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe. Today's video is something you don't want to miss. Most people end the year feeling exactly the same as they started. Same habits, same results, same life. Today we're talking about 8 habits that can completely change that, if you're willing to commit. Wake up before the world wakes up. The first habit is waking up early. Not because it's trendy, but because the early morning hours are the only time in the day that truly belong to you. No notifications, no demands, no distractions, just you and your goals. Even 30 minutes of focused morning time compounded over a year can completely shift your trajectory. Read every single day. Successful people don't just watch videos or scroll reels. They read books, articles, biographies, things that stretch their thinking. Just 10 pages a day equals around 12 books a year. 12 new perspectives added to your thinking. Reading daily is one of the cheapest, most powerful investments you can make in yourself. Move your body. Even when you don't feel like it, exercise isn't just about the body. It rewires your brain, improving focus, reducing anxiety, and boosting your overall energy levels throughout the day. You don't need a gym membership or a perfect routine. A 20-minute walk, some push-ups at home, or a short yoga session is enough to start. The goal isn't to look better overnight. The goal is to build the identity of someone who takes care of themselves. Stop consuming mindlessly. Start learning intentionally. The average person spends 3 to 4 hours a day on social media. That's time that could be spent learning a new skill, building a side project, or developing real knowledge. Replace at least 1 hour of mindless scrolling with something intentional. A course, a documentary, a podcast that genuinely teaches you something useful. Master the art of deep focus. In a world full of distractions, the ability to sit down and focus deeply on one thing is a superpower. Most people can't do it anymore, and that's your opportunity. Practice working in focused blocks of time. Phone away, notifications off, one task at a time. Even 60 minutes of deep work daily can outpace what most people do in a full day. Start talking to yourself differently. This one surprises people. But your inner dialogue shapes your entire reality. If you constantly tell yourself, "I'm not good enough," or "I always fail," your brain starts to believe it. Begin replacing negative self-talk with honest, forward-looking statements. I'm learning. I'm improving. I'm capable of handling hard things. These aren't just words. They're reprogramming. Protect your energy like a resource. Not every conversation deserves your response. Not every person deserves your time. Learning to say no, politely but firmly, is one of the most transformative habits you can develop. Start auditing your energy. Who drains you? What situations leave you exhausted? What habits are quietly stealing your best hours? Review your goals. Weekly, not yearly. Most people set goals in January and forget about them by March. The ones who actually achieve their goals do something different. They review and reflect constantly. Every week, ask yourself, what did I do well? What did I avoid? What needs to change? This weekly check-in keeps you accountable without overwhelming you. Information alone changes nothing. You could watch 1,000 videos and still stay stuck. If you never act on what you learn, pick just 2 habits from today. Start tomorrow. Build from there. That's the whole formula. Which habit are you starting with? Drop a comment below. Tell us which one habit you're committing to first. We read every single comment. Your reply might be exactly what someone else needed to hear today. Where will you be in 12 months? 12 months from now, you could be a completely different person. Or you could be exactly the same. The only thing that decides that is what you do starting today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It genuinely helps this channel reach more people who need this kind of content. Share this video with someone in your life who's ready to level up. You never know whose life it might change. And if you haven't already, subscribe to EduStory so you never miss a video. See you in the next one. Take care.